Hi guys, happy Mother's Day. Nilang ko pala ng flowers si Marcy. Para naman matuwa. Mother's Day pala. Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day.
Totoo ba yun?
Totoo yan, pera ko na yan. Happy Mother's Day.
Sana all, may ganun.
Tuwang-tuwa siya. Tanong agad kung magkano eh.
Magkano nga ba? Saan mahal?
Happy Mother's Day ate.
Hello, happy Mother's Day.
Hindi kita nabigyan kasi ngayon lang kita na kilala eh.
Halika na.
May cake pa siya guys.
Sana all. Sana all. Mamaya hirap
Bye.
yung kuya
Mother's Day.